story. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today interacted with chief ministers of the states via video conferencing and discussed the emerging situation and plan ahead for the tackling of COVID-19 pandemic. This was the fourth such interaction of the Prime Minister with the chief ministers. The earlier ones had been held on the 20th of March and the 2nd of April, also on the 11th of April. The Prime Minister underlined that the lockdown has yielded positive results and the country has managed to save thousands of lives in the past 1.5 months. He added that India's population is comparable to that of a combined population of several countries. The situation in many countries, including India, was almost similar at the start of March. However, due to timely measures, India has been able to protect many people. He, however, forewarned that the danger of the virus is far from over and constant vigilance is of paramount importance. The Prime Minister said that the country has seen 2 lockdowns till now, both different in certain aspects, and now we have to think of the way ahead. He said that as per experts, the impact of the coronavirus will remain visible in the coming months. Reiterating the mantra of Do Gaz Duri, he in fact said that masks and face covers will in fact become part of our lives in the days ahead. He added that under the circumstances, everyone's aim must be rapid response. He pointed out that many people are self-declaring whether they have coughs or colds or symptoms, and that this is a welcome sign. The Prime Minister said that we have to give importance to the economy as well as to continue the fight against COVID-19. He emphasized on the importance of using technology as much as possible and also to utilize time to embrace reform measures. He emphasized on the significance of ensuring that more people download the Arogya Setu app to bolster the efforts of the country in the battle against COVID-19. He said we have to be brave and bring in reforms that touch the lives of common citizens. He suggested that people associated with universities can be integrated on devising ways to fight the pandemic and to strengthen research as well as innovation. He highlighted the importance of states to enforce guidelines strictly in hotspots, that is red zones areas, and he added that efforts of the states should be directed towards converting the red zones into orange and thereafter into green zones. The Prime Minister urged the chief ministers to factor in changes in weather, the advent of summer and monsoon, and also illnesses that can potentially come to the season while strategizing ahead. The chief ministers praised the leadership of the Prime Minister during this period of crisis and also highlighted the efforts undertaken by them in containing the virus. They spoke about the need to keep a close vigil on international borders and also on addressing the economic challenges and ways to further boost health infrastructure. The leaders also expressed gratitude towards the police force and the medical staff for the exemplary work done by them in the fight against COVID-19. And